Welcome to a new video by CrocFIX. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace your camera glass on your Samsung S21 smartphone. If you need the parts or tools, I have provided the links in the video description. Just feel free to click on more under the video. Enjoy! Hey everyone, and welcome to a new CrocFIX video. Here we have a Samsung Galaxy S21 and one of the glasses for the rear camera is broken and cracked. So we will replace this in this video tutorial, and as you see, like almost half of the glass is broken. So I will guide you through the process, how to repair it, fast and easy. And yeah, thanks for watching and let's go. First, I suggest you that you put your safety goggles on if you work with cracked glass, and then we can proceed. So you have to work really slow and precise, because don't damage the internal camera, otherwise you will have to replace it. So what we are going to do, I will heat up this a little bit, not too much, maybe just with 150 degrees. Sorry for the blurriness. Okay, again. So it. Dobre. So heat up this for a bit. So remember, don't use too much heat, as you can damage the internal camera. This is just for softening the glue here. Then you go under the glass and try to lift it up really carefully. And then go under the glass and try to cut it out from the frame. This works perfectly. The best, it always goes well when the pieces are bigger, not smaller. So we have here a little bit left, not too much. This we can try to remove with some tweezers. Watch out for the camera lens, always. If you scratch it, your picture won't be nice anymore. That's it. So now we have to remove also the leftover of the glue. So let's remove also this one. Make sure that you won't allow that any glass will fall into the lens. You have to otherwise clean it and shake it a little bit in the opposite direction, so it will fall out, not too hard. And then again go and remove this glue here around the frame. So now, as you see, I will put this closer. The lens seems to be alright, maybe a little bit scratched, but this was already before from the damage of the glass. So now what you can do is, firstly you take the air pump and we will pump all the dust here out. This is for cleaning. So this will remove all the dust. have a closer look if you see any glass inside somewhere, because this can also affect the autofocus and the stabilization. So I don't see any glass inside here. If you see it, don't go with a screwdriver in, because you can damage something. So always shake slowly for a bit, not too much, and then go always with the air pump. If you see a bigger piece inside and you can't like shake it out or clean it with this air pump, then go with some tweezers and really carefully try to pull it out. Okay? So now I'm trying here to still clean this a little bit. Okay, so now I'm taking this second tool for cleaning. This is really gentle, and it's also for DSLR cameras, so it won't harm your lens. So you can clean the leftover of the dust from the lens camera. There we go. And now, again, one duster. And that's it. Now we are going to put some glue on it, and then we assemble the new camera lens, the camera glass. I have here a package of 3, so all camera glasses are the same size, so don't worry about it. You won't make a difference if you take any other. So I have here a brand new lens. Okay, so I will need the glue now. You can use B7000 glue or whichever. Sometimes you will get also a 3M double-sided adhesive tape, which you can put it on it, but I prefer to put the liquid glue. So I have here some black glue with a really small nozzle for precise gluing. Okay. Okay, so let's go carefully here and slowly. Don't put too much glue on the frame, just a little bit, because the glass will press it down and it could come on the camera lens if you put too much on it. That should be enough. Now I'm taking some tweezers. I'm having a closer look if the glue is correct assembled or correct put on the frame. So now let's go and put the glass on it. For this I'm removing here first the protection for the glass. First make sure where you see the writings, the text. This will come under the glass, I mean on the frame, and the other one is on the top without the text. So once you have this ready, you will put it on it and gently press down to the frame. Okay, and then leave it. Great one. Now you leave it for at least, depend of your glue, but let's say if you can, leave it for at least 4 hours. And then you are good to go. Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.